I bet you didn't know the surprising benefits of eating 4 eggs daily. Many people are unaware of how this simple habit can transform their health. One practice that has shown remarkable results is consuming 4 eggs every single day. This might sound unusual to some, but it's a routine that has worked wonders for many. Yes, you read that right. 4. Not 1, not 2, but 4 eggs every single day. Now you might be thinking, that's a lot of eggs. It might even seem excessive at first glance. You might even be worried about cholesterol. It's a common concern that many people have when they hear about this egg consumption. However, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. They are packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for good health. Each egg contains high-quality protein and a range of important nutrients. For years, eggs were unfairly demonized for their cholesterol content. This misconception led many to avoid them. However, recent studies have shown that dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. This is a significant finding that has changed the way we view eggs. In fact, eggs can actually improve your cholesterol profile by increasing good HDL cholesterol. This means they can be part of a heart-healthy diet. Let's talk about a common misconception: the color of the yolk. Many people believe that a deep orange yolk indicates a healthier or more nutritious egg. This is simply not true. The color of the yolk depends solely on the chicken's diet. Chickens that eat feed rich in pigmented plants, like marigold petals, will lay eggs with darker yolks. This doesn't mean those eggs are necessarily healthier. What matters most is the quality of life the chickens experience and the nutritional content of their feed. Always prioritize eggs from chickens that are raised humanely and fed a natural diet. Not all eggs are created equal. When choosing your eggs, it's essential to consider the source and production methods. Organic eggs. These eggs come from chickens raised without antibiotics, hormones, or genetically modified organisms, GMOs, in their feed. They are often considered healthier and more environmentally friendly. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, providing a versatile and nutrient-dense option for various meals. They contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but cannot produce on their own, making them a complete protein source. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall bodily functions. Eggs have a high protein efficiency ratio, PER, which measures how well a protein source is utilized by the body for growth and maintenance. This high PER indicates that the protein in eggs is efficiently converted into body protein, supporting muscle development and repair. This means that the protein in eggs is efficiently converted into body protein, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build and maintain muscle mass. Incorporating eggs into your diet can significantly aid in muscle growth, repair, and overall health, making them a valuable addition to any meal plan.